Dito po tayo sa Greenfield City, Santa Rosa. Pero hindi po dito yung venue ng fun run. Nasa kabila, naligaw po tayo. Tayo sa Ayala Greenfield. Dito na po tayo sa totoong venue. Ayan na ang starting line. Makikita sa kulay green arko.
Pag-award na tayo ng medals and for the closing remarks. So while waiting for Pipi John, we can have our photo ops, dito sa ating first 3K finishers at the same time. First 5K finishers, then followed by yung mga natapos. Sir Jojo de la Cruz, nandiyan pa kayo, sir? Sir Jojo!
Jojo de la Cruz.
Right? Dito tayo. Requesting for photo. Okay, next. 3K, Sir Arthur Jan Betsaida. Sir Arthur. 3K muna. Next. Sir Vince. Alright. Sir Justin Hernandez ba? Justin Hernandez. Okay, photo ops muna tayo. Hakot. Okay. Photo ops. Alright. Okay. So lahat ng 5K finishers na may medal, basta po din tayo dito.
Also, we would like request
Sir Boyet, Sir Jerry. Sir, dito po tayo. 3K ba? Sir Jerry.
Sir Jerry.
5K muna. Teka.
Oo, lahat.
Dito tayo. Finisher, lahat. Let's have a photo op. Ready? On. One. Right.
QBL chapter. BPFson.
everyone. So, of course, number one, would like to thank everyone, lahat ng delegates, especially the PSME National, who nandito lahat, the whole secretariat, dumating po dito. And of course, to Engineer Jerez Tiromiliano, dinala niya yung buong empleyado niya dito for this event. And for Mariwasa, thank you very much for coming here, and for the other delegates na nandito from Central Laguna chapters. Thank you very much. So of course, I would like to thank lahat po ng mga naging sponsor for this event. Number one, this is the Cyber Mechanical Solution, care of Engineer George Amon, also a QBLO's chapter member. From NPAC, of course, kay National Past President Jerry Asuncion, company po niya yan. And for EnviroCool, this is for our President-elect sa Rotary Club of Calamba, si Sir Rick Inyon. For Luntiang Dahon and JCSF, this is our sponsor from our past President, Jose Francisco. And for AR Tech, from our past President, Ricardo Romero. And of course, from RENCOR, ito po, from our National VP for Internal Affairs, Ma'am Marceli Bea Baculi. AdTech, also from our PSLE QBL member, Andrew Tolentino. And for the three construction from sponsor ni Sir P.P. Erson Caratao with his GM2 Construction, ASB Bar Construction, and the G8 Golden Horizon. And of course, for Lab Air Industrial Corporation is also from our QBLO's officer. So ano pa ba hindi ko nabanggit dito? So sa lahat po ng nag-sponsor for these events, maraming salamat po. Sana makaulit pa po kami. And of course, I would like to thank our support, of course, from the CTMEU and the Philippine National Police, Santa Rosa. And of course, for the RDMM, Regional Disasters. Ano? Ayun po. Maraming salamat po, especially sa nag-sponsor po ng aming ambulansya. Maraming salamat, sir, for your support to our event. Ganda nga, sir, ng ambulansya. Anyway, that will conclude po our event. Meron po pala kami, nakalimutan namin ibigay. We have a certificate of participation to all delegates. Pasuyo na lang po, pakuha din. We can get a photo ops ulit with the certificate. So, preferably, in case we will invite you again on March, PSME will be also part of the World Engineering Day. Preferably, meron po uli ang fun run ang PSME. So, we will invite you again for our next event. I don't know kung dito po o preferably baka dito po uli. Opo. So, thank you very much. Of course, I would like to thank our National President for his presence today. Thank you.